Hello, second graders. This is Miss Nuran Abu Shafa. Continuing our online lessons, we'll have our doubles and halves lesson. Starting by doubles. What is doubles? The meaning of doubles is 2 times of a number. That means a number and 2 times of it. For example, we have double 2, double 5, and double 10. Doubling is multiplying of 2. Double 2 means 2 times 2 equals 4. So double 2 is 4. So we take the number, we multiply it in 2, and the answer we get is the double of the number we already multiplied. Double 5, as another example, is 5 times 2. 5 times 2, 10. So double 5 is 10. Double 10. Double 10 is 10 times 2 equals 20. So double 10 is 20. I think it's easy and clear, but what about the larger numbers? For example, here we have double 43 and double 25. To make it easier, doubling larger numbers can be by partitioning. How are we supposed to do something like that? This is the number we have, 43. We will see how many tens and ones do we have in the number. How many ones do we have here? 3. And how many tens? 40. Because 43. So 40 tens and 3 as ones. We double the ones. Double the ones means 3 and 3. And double the tens means 40 and 40. 3 plus 3 is 6. 40 plus 40, similar to 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So 40 plus 40 is 80. 80 plus 6 is 86. So double 43 is 86. Moving on to the second example, 25, double 25. We have 5 as ones and 20 as tens. Double the ones means 5 and 5. Double the tens means 20 and 20. 5 and 5, 10. 20 and 20, 40. So 40 plus 10 equals 50. So double 25 is 50. Now, moving on, after the doubles, we have the halves. Halves and doubles are nearly related to each other. What is the meaning of halves? Halves is 2 equal or nearly equal parts that together make up a whole. As you see here, I drew a triangle and I divided it into 2 halves. So this is a half and this is a half, and as you see here, they're equal, they are the same. So this is the meaning of half. Or another meaning, it's a whole divided on 2. So this is a whole triangle, and I divide it on 2. We work with the same idea for dividing the numbers or half of the numbers. The first example we have is half of 18. half of 18 means 18 divided on 2. As I explained in the previous lesson, we will look up for the number we multiply into that gives 18 as an answer. What is the answer? 9. Because 9 times 2 equals 18. So 18 divided on 2 is 9. So half of 18 is 9. It means that double 9 is 18. So it's the same thing. Half of 18 is 9 and double 9 is 18. The second example, half of 12 means 12 divided on 2. What is the number that I multiply into gives the answer 12? It is 6. So 12 divided on 2 is 6, because 6 times 2 is 12. So half of 12 is 6. And the same thing, double 6 is 12. The last one is half of 6. 6 divided on 2. 3. 6 divided on 2 is 3, because 3 times 2 equals 6. So half of 6 is 3. And double 3 is 6. Now let's take a look on this number line here. This number line is really helpful in knowing halves and doubles of these numbers, most familiar numbers. I started by 5. Double 5 is 10, and half 10 is 5. Double 10 is 20, so half 20 is 10. Double 15, 30. Half 30, 15. Double 20 is 40, and half 40 is 20. Double 25 is 50, and half 50 is 25. Double 30 is 60, half 60 is 30. Double 35 is 70, and half 70 is 35. Double 40 is 80, and half 80 is 40. Double 45, 90, and half 90 is 45. Double 50 is 100, and half 100 is 50. So this is how the process is going. This is you double, this way you double, and getting back is you half. So the process is like this: double 5, 10, but half 10, 5. Double 10, 20. Half 20, 10. Double 15, 30. Half 30, 15. Double 20, 40. And half 40, 20. Double 25, 50. And half 50, 25, double 30, 60, half 60, 30, double 35, 70, half 70, 35, double 40, 80, half 80, 40, double 45, 90, half of 90 is 45. The last one, double 50 is 100, and half the 100 is 50.